Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Radwan. I'm a Visual Studio LM MVP and Senior LM Consultant at Marvel LM. I will continue our series about what's new in TFS 2012, and today I will give more details about my work. So, for me, I consider my work like a Facebook. Actually, it is not exactly the same, but I just want you to think of it like it's like a Facebook because it will keep you synchronized with your team members while you are working, because no need to retrieve the information all the time. For example, you don't have to query the work items to know if someone assign you a task or somebody review your code and so on and so forth. So it is collaboration feature that keep you synchronized with all your teammates. We have four sections in my work: in progress, suspend work, available work item, code review. We will have a separate video and post about suspend work and code review. So in this video I will focus on in progress work section and available work item section. So let's talk about the available work item. As we can see, the available work items, this section is responsible for retrieving all information according to the user that logged in to the TFS. So if you log in as a Brian Keller or as a Muhammad Radwan, you will retrieve tasks related to Muhammad Radwan or Brian Keller. So all you need is just open the available work items, and you will see all your tasks here. The available work items depending on a query, so you can open the query to understand its criteria. You can also create here a new work items. To start the work items or move to next state, you just click on the task and click start, or you just simply drag and drop, as we can see, to in the progress. So this is the available work items. In progress, the in progress work is intelligent section, because it will just show you the button and commands that you will need in this moment. For example, the check-in will not appear if there is no pending change. It will be finished. The check-in also is intelligent to associate tasks, as we can see later. Okay, so here if we want to move the task from the available work item to the in progress work, we just drag and drop the task from the available work item to in progress work section, or just as we mentioned before, click on the task and click start. It is the same, so you have the two options. As we can see here, if I just move the task in the progress, and I can, if I have, we can see here that request review not available because we don't have pending change. But when we have a pending change, the request review is available. Now if I click finish, this will move the task from in progress to be finished. But when there is pending a change, we can see here the button is changed to be check in, and this will open the pending change window and take this task to associate it with this check-in code, and then finish the task. So it is very intelligent to understand your situation, as we can see. And mostly in the progress, you should keep one task in progress, because if you have 10 or 20 tasks but you only can work on a task at any point of time, so you should keep it has only one task. Okay, if we move the work from available work items, if we move our work items or tasks from available work item to in progress work, this will reflect on the board on the team web access, as we can see here. So it will move the task to be here because it will change its states. If we move the task from in progress to be finished or click finish, this will move the task from in progress to be done. But the vice versa is not applicable. For example, if we move this task from to do to be in progress, this will not reflect here. And I have a question with the program manager Hoffman about this, and he just mentioned maybe it is a little confusion, but if I thought it is a wrong, I can open a customer voice. But actually, I thought it is a good idea because this state is different when you're working in the work item. It is different from working in the team web access. So it will not change, and this is very important. Okay, let's see the demo. Let's here create a project. Okay, if we open my work, we can find the section here. So let's open the in progress and available. So we can here suspend work item. It is not available because we don't have any state of the Visual Studio. Request review also is not available, and finish not available. Only the action is the available. In the available work item also we can see here it's just a new. We can create a new work items or open the query that it retrieved the available work item or available work item based on it, and here to specify for all iteration or current iteration. So let's open the Team Web Access to create some this PPI1 assign the prime. Okay, good. Now start adding task 1 assigned to me as a prime color. Task 2. Now if I open my work, we can see here it retrieve the two tasks as we can see them. So if we open the query, we can see here this is the query result, and we can also edit the query. Actually we can save it. Okay, as we can see here, we can click start or just to drag and drop here. So let's drag and drop here, so become here. So if I just refresh this, we can see that it moved to the next step. We can see here that request review is not available and finish is only available. If I click finish, yes, this will reflect here again. Let's have code so we can understand. MC6 web application, default template. I will add to the source control. Now we can see that request review is available and the check-in is available. So if I click check-in, it will open the check-in, and we can see related work item is empty. But if I take task 2 and just put it here and click check-in, as we can see it associates the task 2 with the related work items, so it will be associated with the check-in, and I can choose to be resolved or associate. So it is very intelligent to show what you really need and to associate work items with the check-in in the pending change. So The very important here is that if I take this task to bring here again, let's refresh this. If I move this to here, this will not reflect here because my work not depend on the TeamWeb access. It has a different state, but when we change from here, it reflects on the work item state, and this is very important. And you will find a reference on the post about my inquiry with the program manager Hoffman about this idea. At the end, my work is a very nice feature that will keep you synchronized with your teammates, so no need to query the TFS every time to check what is going on, because it will be updated automatically. So most of the time you will be open my work and interact with the TFS. At the end, I would like to thank you all for watching this video, and I will be more than happy for answering any inquiry about this video. Thank you so much.